I'm Stu Gregor from Four Pillars, one of the three founders of Four Pillars, little gin distillery up in Hillsville in the Yarra Valley. We've been going just over 4 years. For an Australian business to be a great success, you've got to be prepared to travel. I mean, we don't have the advantage of being an American business where you can sit there with a 350 million person market on your doorstep and think that a big trip is going from Idaho to Iowa. You know, you've got to be prepared to get on the plane. You've got to pound the pavement, whether it's through Asia, America, UK, Europe. I mean, it's a lot. To call it exhausting would be a lie. It's an awful lot of fun, but it does take some sleepless nights and take some time away. But it really is important to get out there and be in the market where you want to sell your product, no matter what that product is. Nothing beats FaceTime. It's great from a customer point of view, from a consumer point of view. It's great to have all the social media tools in the world so everyone can feel part of a community. But at the end of the day, if I have to convince a buyer at a retail store in New York to buy my gin, I've got to be there in front of him, selling him my compelling story, or her.